Hi guys, I wanted to show you what just got into the mail. And I don't know how I can't do a long video because of my memory on my phone. It's not letting me do videos for very long. But I am going to put the link to this complete bread proofing box. My name is Patricia and welcome to the channel, Little Bits of Homestead. And my name is Patricia. And so I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you share, like, subscribe, and comment. I just like to share things with you guys. As you know, I don't edit, and I'm just not a big person to put my face out there. But anyway, I'm 65, and I've been going back and forth. I actually got this, I think, on Prime Day on Amazon, and I'll try to put the link because even without Prime Day, I think it's pretty expensive. As you know, I'm a sourdough baker. I love my sourdough, and I usually just do loaf sandwich bread. But I have a granddaughter it's 12 years old, and she has done some sourdough baking. And I am, as you know, if you see some of my other videos, please go back and watch my other videos. I am decluttering my house. I'm in my bedroom right now, but I'm going to be doing my kitchen. And I got some things I do with sourdough. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to share this and some of my extra things. If I look in my cabinet up here, this has got to be decluttered, guys. I don't need all this stuff. It's just me. And so I'm going to share some of my extras with my granddaughter. And I'm going to give her one of these. It comes with two baskets. It comes with the loaf one and the round one. And I would love to make, and I do have a bench scraper already, so I might let her have that one. I do have a dough whisk, so I'm going to let her have that one. And just some things extra. This is to make the artesian loaves. It's got a bread basket with a cloth. I'm trying to do it one-handed so you can see it. Hold on for just a minute. I'm going to set the phone down for just a second. Hold on for just a second, okay, guys? Give me a minute. Just got one hand here. And I was going to take the plastic off so you can see it. So, anyway, sorry about that. Each one of these, the round, and this is probably the loaf one. It comes with the liner on them. Each one has its own individual liner, and it's made out of wood. So you can let your dough, if you're doing it like the stretch and folds with the sourdough, you can let the first rise stay in these baskets. And this is the round one. So I might actually order her own. I don't know, because I want to learn how to do cutting, but I can still cut on the this one, do artisan with this one, stretch and fold, and then put it in a loaf pan, because I'm more of a loaf person than a round person. So I might let her have this one with some rice flour, because you want to put the flour, and I had already ordered my rice flour. I might give you the link. This is the rice flour I got. This is what you just sprinkle it on the Banton cloth, and this is keep your dough from sticking, and these are reusable. And it does actually have another scraper, which I may let her have. Oh, well, I like this little scrub brush. I don't know what we do with that. And I thought it had some razors, and that might be what this is, to score it with. So anyway, for like 19 bucks, you can't beat that. Anyway, I'm going to put the link, or try to, when this uploads, and try to put the link to the rice flour and some of the, maybe the knife and the little things that goes in there. I'll put all of the stuff I bought for my sourdough in the description. So this might not actually be, it'll be a tiny one, but it'll be a regular one. Hopefully it won't go as a short, so I can put the description there, so I can put all the links. And if you have any granddaughters, or you yourself are getting started with sourdough, I mean, this is nice because you have two different types of breads you can make, or shapes, and you have all the stuff you need, plus you get this little recipe manual. And I'm going to look at that. I might give that to her too, because I know how to make sourdough, and I got recipes so she could have it. Anyway, I will let you go, and since it's almost 5 minutes, so it might be longer than a short, so I just want to share this with you and really take advantage. This would make an excellent Christmas gift, guys. Keep this links that I send you, keep coming back to it, and share it. Share this video with others that are looking for something different. They can either get a family member or a kid, a granddaughter, a daughter or a granddaughter. If you have little ones and you want to go and help them, get them their own tools to make sourdough and get started on it. And I really encourage everybody to try this kit. I'm really impressed with it. Well, God bless you until next time, and I'll talk to you later.